look and see if the nozzle stopped up.
How can I pull the window up?
No.
How?
Not till we start to go through.
Papa, is it doing a good job?
I'm going to see if all the nozzles will do, we'll go through this side.
How, are you, Paul?
He's about done.
How is it putting that triple shine? Paul, what's triple shine?
It's stuff to make your car shiny. See that white stuff?
Yeah.
See now, see if we haven't stopped up, Max.
How, I don't stopped up.
No.
How, why?
No, we'll use this side here.
How, why? How, I thought you wanted to go to that side.
No, this side here is good because we know the nozzles ain't stopped up on them.
How, do you like this side or either one?
They're both about the same.
How is it doing a good job?
I'll tell you what, if it don't come back and get that soap off there, I ain't going through it.
How, why? How did it got all the soap off?
I think it's got to come through again.
Look, that water's leaking. I don't know why, but it does. It is. How can I get the $10 wash?
Yeah.
But did he got the cheap wash or not?
I'd say you got the expensive worth $10.
Is that camera showing it? Yeah, it is. I'll turn it on. See, that's getting it. I'll move it. That's good enough. See, that camera's recording. The other cost. How is it doing a good job? How did it got all the soap off? How can I watch and get dry then we'll pay, okay? Papa, can we call me paying? Papa, did it got all the soap off or not?
Yeah, it looks like you got a good wash job.
Papa, is that dry allowed? How can I roll my window up?
Yeah, when we start to go through, you can.
How is it doing a good job? How can I want to get dried first?
Yeah, we'll wait.
How can I turn Abby's wipers? Yeah. Squirt the
See if
wipers.
she's got any water in it.
Can I pull it back?
Pull it back.
How why's it keep squirting? How why's it keeps on squirting? How can I do?
That's enough.
How why?
You waste the water.
But did dry it off good?
No, because he's going through it too fast. See, he's still.
How can we call me?
Go put the diamond. Go put the $10 in it.
How can we call
I'm
me?
gonna record
for
you
my
right
bill?
out the window here. Max at the car wash. Getting it washed.
I'll put the card in. How?
Your credit card information has been received. Please make a wash selection. Please wait while your transaction is processed.
How can I get a receipt?
Yeah.
If you would like a receipt, press refund now.
How? Why is it not?